So you can use specific hex code references to create Colourmatch products in ChatGPT or Sora using the new image model. So here we go. I've got a quick prompt here at the top. I've already pre-generated the images so you're not waiting around. Create a high-end photo of a designer handbag on a grey studio background, and the bag color is HEX, and then I've given a specific hex code. Now, if you don't know what hex code is, it's kind of like a universal color language that in this sort of digital realm that's cross-compatible between all kinds of processors and platforms. Think of it as almost like a Pantone reference, but for sort of digital requirements, right? And you can get hex codes from any number of things, whether it's design software, sort of photo editing software, online color libraries, anything like that. So anyway, it spat out this image, which I think was very nice, and to my mind was pretty representative of the color, but we'll check out how representative shortly. So then I did a remix of this image by clicking on it and just typing in this box down here, change color to, and then I've given it a different hex color reference. And then a few moments later, it spat out this image of the same bag, or virtually the same bag, in this new color. So what I did then is downloaded these images and brought them into Photoshop alongside the actual solid color references for those hex colors. And as you can see here, I think it's done a pretty fantastic job of creating an image based on those hex codes. Now, if you're in Photoshop or Photopea or GIMP or any of the other free options to Photoshop out there that you want to use, you can access these information in pretty much the same way. It's always going to be in the color picker kind of area where you choose the color, and it's this one down here with the little hash symbol. That's the hex code down there. So I just found a couple of colors that I liked, copy and pasted that into ChatGPT, and yeah, it gave me those colors, and that I thought was fantastic. But one thing I want to try here, as I'm sort of live in this, is I'm going to say create the bag with a mix of both colors creatively, right? So I'm giving it now a bit of carte blanche to do what it wants with the colors, but keeping those same two colors hopefully. And I'm just going to let it do its thing and just see what it comes up with. And there we go. It's come with that, which I think looks really great. So it's kept exactly the same colors, but utilized them off its own kind of creative wishes. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.